Excellency Dr. Fahad Al Turki, Chairperson, Arab Monetary Fund, Federal Minister for Finance, Mohammad Aurangzeb, Dr. Anita Zaidi, President Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation, Federal Ministers, Governor State Bank, Jameel Ahmed, Waqasul Hassan of Karandaz, Excellencies, Federal Ministers, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's really a great honor and a pleasure to be here this evening for this connectivity between Buna Rast, which is actually a great connectivity between Pakistan and Arab world. As a matter of great comfort and happiness, this will certainly a great step forward in promoting our financial transaction through modern techniques. In that, I would like to appreciate Your Excellency, your contribution, and Melinda Bill Gates Foundation, and of course Karandas. You have been extremely helpful in the recent months. I'm sure this project is also going to be very, very productive in our efforts. And Minister Aurangzeb, Governor State Bank, all of you have done a remarkable job. But let me first make a couple of corrections. Karandas CEO said completion time would be 5 years. Actually, he made a mistake. It was 5 months, in fact. So I'm sure he's going to make this correction sooner rather than later. And there was another mistake made by me, and I'm thankful to His Excellency. He made this correction. I thought Buna comes from Bunni, and he said no, it's not Bunni, it comes from Banaya, that is building. So thank you very much. But Banaya ليس من حديد لكن من فلوس يعني. هذا نقطة مهمة جدا. So I would like to make a very short statement, and that is launching of this Buna Rast connectivity project as a matter of great happiness for all of us. It is significant because it is going to expand the reach of Pakistan's digital payment infrastructure. Today, our country enters into a new dimension of digital governance by integrating Pakistan into the broader financial ecosystem and formalizing remittance flows. This groundbreaking initiative will further strengthen our historical relations with the Arab world in a modern digital way. This landmark initiative aims to facilitate our fellow Pakistanis living abroad and ensure that their efforts translate seamlessly as well as timely into support for their families back home in Pakistan. Ladies and gentlemen, Buna Rast signifies how 21st century Pakistan is moving ahead with augmenting modern technology into people's lives. I am happy that this beginning is happening at a time when the country is celebrating its 77 years of independence, hard-earned independence. It is Pakistan's first cross-border real-time payment systems linkage that will make remittances more affordable and accessible. Additionally, it also holds the potential to accelerate our connectivity into a future model of wider payment connectivity where transaction will take place region to region. Cross-border retail payments and remittances between the Arab region and Pakistan amounts to over $20 billion annually. I would like to extend my warmest congratulations to Arab Monetary Fund, Dr. Fadil Turki, and of course State Bank of Pakistan, Mr. Jameel Ahmed, as well as Minister of Finance Karan Das, and many other stakeholders who are involved in this wonderful program. Let us work together to harness the power of finance and technology as a force for good and become better and stronger together. Finance Minister has made certain remarks in his speech. I wouldn't want to add anything on top of that. What he said about our economy, it is on the improve, but still we are facing humongous challenges. Inshallah, through our joint efforts and teamwork, we will inshallah reach our destination one day soon. A few challenges which make my job most definitely challenging is the Federal Board of Revenue, which is now undergoing huge transformation. I am personally supervising this fantastic digitization program, again through the good offices of Melinda Bill Gates Foundation and Karan Das. They have offered financial support for this program, and McKinsey is our consultants. We have seen in the past such consultants being engaged for decades, but nothing happened. But this time around, it will happen, and happen quicker than all of you can imagine, inshallah. Second challenges are power sector, and that is again a great challenge. We are dealing with it like never before. Inshallah, we will show results through team efforts in coming weeks and months. Our program is under discussion, and I will announce this program very soon. It's called Homegrown Economic Program. Great work has gone into it, great discussions, deliberations. All stakeholders have been involved for the last many months, and recently we've been able to finalize its broad parameters. In the next week or so, we will finalize it, and I will go to the people and announce this program, which will be our program for the next 5 years as to how to improve our economy, our agriculture, IT, and of course all those areas hitherto untapped. There is no magic wand. It's all about hard work, sacrifice, blood and sweat. I think our nation is a very robust and strong nation. Our people are very brave people, full of vigor and full of hope and full of energy. Finally, I would say that let's put our act together. All these reforms have started taking place. Let's not waste time on debates which we have had in the past. Let's now use this time for actual implementation on the ground. Inshallah, you will see we will have dividends for this great country, and we will find our place in the community of nations through hard work, and hard work. Pakistan